Hello everyone, I'm Harshita. In this project, we're going to look at Microsoft Azure Image Classifier. This is submitted to Mr. Rick Lamroff. In this project, we're going to look at the scope of the project, how it works, how to create resource, how to create project, how to add the tags, and then loading the images into specified tags, and then train the model and test the model. The scope of this project is to demonstrate the ability to add, modify, and build a dataset of images to classify. How it works? Classification is nothing but pattern matching with data. So images are two-dimensional matrices. In fact, image recognition is classifying data into one category out of many. The major steps in image recognition process are gather and organize data, build a predictive model, and then use it to recognize images. So when you log into customvision.ai/projects, you are redirected to a home page where you can see this icon, and to create a new project, you click on New Project. After clicking on the new project, you're redirected to this page. But before this, you have to create a resource if you already don't have one. So to create the resource, you give all the specified fields and then create a resource, and after that select this created resource, and then select all the specifications. In this, the project type is classification, and classification type is multi-label because we're using more than one label for the image, and the domain is general. So after creating the project, you have to add tags. To add the tags, click on the plus icon beside tags and then add whatever the tags you need. And after adding the tags, you have to load the images into specified tags. For that, you have to click on add images and then select all the files. After selecting the files, you have to add the tags. For this, I've selected HUDs and houses because houses is the general thing and HUDs is a specified. And after that, we similarly will add images into bungalows tag and then apartments tag in the similar manner. After that, this is as you can see, I've added 14 images for specified tag, but houses has 42 because all these images are houses. And after that, we'll train the model using quick train, and as you can see, the precision is 100%, recall 100%, and AP is also 100% for this training model. Okay, so after training the model, you have to test the model. So as you can see, I've selected some images which are not one of the images for train data. So as you can see, when I've selected this, it gives me 31%, 31.9% as apartment, and houses is 99.9%. And as you can see, this is a bit different, but it's also an apartment, but it's giving 99.7, and similarly for other things. These are the drawings which I've selected. And after similarly, we are going to check for bungalows. As you can see, bungalows has 99.6%. For drawings, it's less because it's 3.8%. And similarly for huts. These are the references for this project. Now we're going to look at the project in live. Now, I've already logged into my Azure account, and as you can see, these are all the images I've loaded. And then as you can see the tags here and the number of images for that specified tag. Now, I'll train the model using quick train. As you can see, it is taking some time to load the images and then train. As you can see, once the training is completed, it gives me the precision, recall, and AP. As I've shown already, because the data set is not changed, the precision, recall, and AP is also did not change. And you can see the image count for each specified tag in here. And after that, if I want to do a quick test, I'm browsing local files. So I've already selected some files for the test data set. And now we'll look at this one. As you can see, the houses is 91.1%, bungalows is 2.5%, huts is 0.2%, because these are in between bungalows and house. And now we'll look at a different file. If I want to look at this drawing. Okay, as you can see, it's a drawing of a heart, and it is giving me 82.2% as heart. So it's almost correct. So once I've completed my predictions, you can see all of your predictions in the prediction tab, and it also gives the precision. So this is how you build a model and then test the model. Thank you.